Good afternoon. My name is Captain McGuire, and I'm a legal assistance attorney here in the Legal Assistance Office aboard Marine Corps Base Hawaii, Kaneohe Bay. Now, I'd like to provide you with some information about a new service we offer called divorce mediation. Divorce mediation is an efficient and effective way for a divorcing couple to avoid an expensive, contested divorce in the state of Hawaii. Couples who choose to participate in divorce mediation will sit down with an attorney who has been trained in mediation and who will act as the mediator. During the mediation, the parties will, with the assistance of the mediator, set the terms of their own divorce decree together. During the divorce mediation, the mediator will provide legal information as well as facilitate an environment of cooperation. The mediator will not provide legal advice or advocate for either side. As you may have learned from our military-specific considerations divorce video, the traditional service provided by this office to a client facing divorce has been divorce representation. Divorce representation is when one of the divorcing spouses comes into our office during attorney walk-in hours, has a conflict check, discusses the case with one of our attorneys, and forms an attorney-client relationship. The other spouse is not a part of this process and instead must go to another Department of Defense legal assistance office, such as Pearl Harbor or Schofield Barracks, if they desire to have divorce representation. Please note that we will continue to provide divorce representation in this office. However, we will only provide one service, representation or mediation, to each divorcing couple, not both. Divorce mediation is a completely different way to approach the divorce. Its focus is on collaboration and understanding as opposed to confrontation. Instead of having a family court judge set the terms of their divorce decree, a couple who successfully goes through divorce mediation will set their own terms. Also, divorce mediation is free. A couple going through a contested divorce, however, spends $30,000 on average just on attorney's fees. You may be asking yourself if divorce representation or divorce mediation is best for you. In order for you to make the best possible choice, I'll explain a few differences between divorce mediation and divorce representation. The primary benefit of divorce mediation is its speed. The clients come in together for one or more mediation sessions, settle their disputes in a safe and productive environment, and the divorce decree is then drafted and filed. The primary benefit of divorce mediation is its speed. The clients come in together for one or more mediation sessions, settle their disputes in a safe and productive environment, and the divorce decree is then drafted, signed, and filed. On the other hand, representation requires the spouses to learn about the process individually and then come together to an agreement without the assistance of a third party, or pursue a contested divorce in family court. Another major difference between mediation and representation is that mediators are not representing the interests of either party. The parties to the mediation are responsible for reaching their own agreement, and unless the attorney believes that something in the agreement is illegal or will not be accepted by the court, the attorney will permit the agreement. It is important to note that receiving divorce mediation services from the Marine Corps Base Hawaii Legal Assistance Office does not create an attorney-client relationship between the mediating parties and the mediator. Some other important things to know about divorce mediation are that it is completely voluntary. Either party can walk away from the process at any point in time up until the divorce decree has been signed. Also, after the mediation but before the divorce decree is signed and filed with the family court, we highly recommend that you take a copy of the proposed divorce decree to another Department of Defense legal assistance office in order to speak with an attorney who represents your interests. Finally, once the divorce mediation has concluded, neither spouse will be able to form an attorney-client relationship with an attorney in the Marine Corps Base Legal Assistance Office in the future. In order for a couple to be eligible to receive divorce mediation in our office, the following requirements must be met. First, both parties must be eligible to receive legal assistance services. Second, neither party can have formed an attorney-client relation previously with an attorney from the Marine Corps Base Hawaii Legal Assistance Office. Receiving a notarization or a power of attorney does not count. Third, both parties must agree to participate in divorce mediation. Fourth, the husband or the wife must file for an uncontested divorce in the state of Hawaii prior to divorce mediation. Fifth, both parties must provide full financial disclosure to both the other party and the mediator prior to the mediation. In this video, I provided you with some information about divorce mediation, explained how divorce mediation differs from our office's traditional divorce service, divorce representation, explained to you the eligibility requirements for receiving divorce mediation, and finally, listed a few other important things to know about divorce mediation. If you have any other questions about divorce mediation, divorce representation, or any of the other services we provide here in our office, please contact us at 808-257-6738 or go to our website, which is located at www.marinecorpshawaii.usmc.mil/SJA/SJALA.htm. If you are still interested in pursuing divorce mediation here in Hawaii, even though you don't qualify for divorce mediation in our office, please call the Mediation Center of the Pacific at 808-521-6767 or go to their website at www.mediatehawaii.org. Thank you for your time and good luck to you. Semper Fidelis.